it. I'm the ref. I am.
I'm ready. Ready.
Ready. Wait, let me declare the start of the game. Let me declare the start. On go. Blue team ready.
Ready.
Red team ready. Okay, I will be following you during the battle. When I say go. It'll be ready and then set, then go. Y'all are blue team. They're red team. Okay, blue team ready. Go! Ow. I'm a retard. Wow. Try to conserve ammo. I'm the ref! Don't shoot! I'm the ref! Stay in cover. What do you think y'all doing on my fanny pack? By the way, just to let you know, this is a war between Chris, Jake, Josh, and on the red team we have Monica, Alex, and Grayson. As the refs we have Ella, me, of course Jude, and Natalie. Yeah, here we... Right here. We're going over to Josh's. Cease fire! Cease fire!
Cease fire! Cease fire!
Car! Cease fire!
Safety, none!
Game will resume once I say go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Let's make one more rule. 20-yard shooting. 20-yard shooting or farther.
4, 3, 2, 1, ready, set, go! if you... Ceasefire! Ceasefire! Person and car. The game will resume on the same measures. Shut up, Chris. You're wrong. Okay. 3, 2, 1, resume. Well, don't try to aim for the car. Watch out, Natalie. You might get hit. Keep up your hood so you don't get hit in the neck. Excuse me. Sorry, pardon me. My turn.
Dang it. Excuse me, pardon me, my turn.